Have you ever started your car and suddenly noticed the red oil pressure warning light on the dashboard? Don't ignore it. That small warning light could be telling you your engine isn't receiving enough oil pressure. Driving with low oil pressure, even for a few minutes, can lead to severe engine damage and expensive repairs. In this video, I'll show you 5 common warning signs, the most likely causes, and some quick fixes you should try before it's too late. Let's get started. 1. The first and most obvious sign is the oil pressure warning light itself. Sometimes it appears only for a few seconds after starting the engine. That's normal. But if it stays on while driving or keeps flashing, your engine may not be getting enough oil pressure. Ignoring this warning can quickly lead to serious internal engine damage. Quick fix: pull over safely. Turn the engine off. Wait a few minutes. Check the oil level with the dipstick. Add the recommended engine oil if it's low. If the warning light doesn't disappear, don't continue driving. 2. Knocking or ticking engine noise. Low oil pressure means engine parts aren't being lubricated properly. As metal parts rub together, you'll often hear ticking noises, knocking sounds, valve train noise. These sounds usually get worse as the engine speed increases. Quick fix: turn the engine off immediately. Continuing to drive could destroy crankshaft bearings or other expensive engine components. 3. Engine temperature starts rising. Many drivers don't realize that engine oil also helps cool internal engine components. When oil pressure drops, friction increases. More friction means more heat. Eventually, your engine temperature may begin rising higher than normal. Quick fix: check both. Engine oil level, coolant level. If either one is low, fix the problem before driving again. 4. Burning oil, smell or smoke. If you smell burning oil or notice smoke under the hood, engine oil could be leaking onto hot engine parts. As oil leaks out, oil pressure drops. The longer the leak continues, the greater the risk of engine damage. Quick fix: inspect for leaks around. Oil filter, drain plug, valve cover gasket, oil pan. Repair leaks as soon as possible. 5. Poor engine performance. Low oil pressure creates extra friction inside the engine. You may notice slow acceleration, rough running, reduced power, poor fuel economy. If the oil level is normal but these symptoms continue, the problem could be a clogged oil filter, worn oil pump, or faulty oil pressure sensor. Quick fix: have the oil pressure tested with a mechanical gauge before replacing expensive parts. Common causes. Here are the most common causes of low oil pressure: low engine oil, dirty oil, clogged oil filter, faulty oil pressure sensor, worn oil pump, internal engine wear. The best way to prevent oil pressure problems is simple. Check your engine oil regularly. Change the oil and filter on schedule. Always use the correct oil viscosity recommended by your vehicle manufacturer. And never ignore the oil pressure warning light. A simple oil change costs far less than replacing an engine. If your oil pressure light turns on, don't assume it's just a faulty sensor. Check the oil level first. If the warning light stays on, stop driving and have the vehicle inspected immediately. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.